should you come to Mumbai for your IVF treatment? This is the question which I'm going to answer today, and if you want to find out the answer, you've got to watch the entire video because it's not a simple yes or no answer. So let's take this in stages. The first thing we need to remember is that Mumbai is the medical capital of India. It is the Mecca. It attracts patients from all over the country, and in fact, it attracts patients from all over the world. That's because Indian doctors are extremely good. The care is extremely cost effective. And because there are over 100 IVF clinics in Mumbai, it's extremely competitive because all these clinics will compete with each other to provide the best quality care for their patients. Which means anyone who comes to Mumbai for their IVF treatment is spoiled for choice, which is great. You can pick and choose. So if you are in Mumbai, excellent. You don't have to go anywhere else. So count yourself lucky. Not that patients from Mumbai don't go to other cities, but the reality is most of the traffic is one way, and patients will come to Mumbai for the treatment, whether it's from Calcutta or Nepal or London or whatever else, for many reasons. So the bottom line is Mumbai is a great destination for someone who needs high quality, cost effective IVF care. The question is, if you don't live in Mumbai, let's suppose you live in Nagpur or Nasik or Jammu Talaya, then what? Should you take treatment from a local IVF clinic or should you come to Mumbai? That's the question. And it's a difficult question to answer, and let me explain why. Now, if you come to Mumbai and you find a good quality clinic, then I think you're sorted. You know you will get top quality medical care because Mumbai has a great reputation and Mumbai doctors are very good. Most of them at least. I'm not saying there aren't exceptions, and we'll come back to that afterwards. But it's not very convenient to come to Mumbai. It costs a lot of money. Mumbai is an expensive city. Mumbai IVF clinics are more expensive than local IVF clinics, and a local clinic is so much more convenient and cheaper. So obviously, if your doctor says you need IVF, your first thought is not going to be, oh, I need to fly to Mumbai to take my treatment. Your first thought is going to be, can I get my treatment done locally? And the good news, or perhaps the bad news, but the good news is there are lots of clinics all across the country. Literally every gully in every city in India now has IVF clinics. So if you can find a clinic next door, why do you want to travel and go all the way? Just do it locally. So much easier. The problem is that these are not good clinics. Now that's the rub. And the problem is patients aren't sophisticated enough to understand the difference in a good clinic and a bad clinic. So the local gynecologist says, hey, you need IVF, here is this local clinic, go. And he says that not because the clinic is good, but because he gets a cut or a kickback or a commission from that local clinic for the referral, and unfortunately that's a fact of life. Poor patient hasn't done any homework, trusts the doctor, goes to the IVF clinic, gets the treatment done, and the treatment's not very expensive, so the doctor talks very sweetly, but the cycle fails. And that's an epiphany. That's a moment of awakening. That's when the patient realizes they were taken for a ride by the local clinic, because the reality is a lot of these local IVF clinics are not good at all. A lot of them are started by brand name senior gynecologists who've been doing gynecology and obstetrics and cesarean sections and hysterectomies for many years, but they don't have any experience with IVF. But because they don't want to send their patients to another clinic, they want to do the IVF themselves. So what do? They can't become IVF experts, so they import IVF specialists from Mumbai, which means then this becomes like a satellite center, and then you have this traveling IVF specialist, this traveling embryologist who comes to that clinic for maybe 1 day in a month or 2 days in a month and does the IVF cycles. And as you can imagine, batching all these patients together is not very good for the patients. The care is not personalized, it's not tailored to that particular patient's problem, and pregnancy rates are pretty low. But patients only learn this the hard way after they've failed their first IVF cycle. That's when they wake up, that's when they start doing their homework, and that's when they realize that not all IVF clinics are created the same, and not all IVF clinics will treat you the same, and why there are advantages to going to more senior established clinics, such as clinics in Mumbai, who've been around for 30 years as compared to a lot of these local clinics who've been around just for 6 months or a year and don't even have full-time trained embryologists to provide quality care and aren't even registered with the ICMR. So that's the message I need to leave with you. That if you want to take your treatment locally, go ahead. If you can find a good quality IVF clinic, more power to you. But ask questions. Don't automatically assume that every IVF clinic is good, and especially just because it's local or convenient is not a good reason. Sure, it might save you some money in the short term, but in the long term, it'll actually cost you more, because not only will you have wasted the money on that failed IVF cycle, it'll break your heart and you will lose confidence in all IVF doctors when the first cycle fails, because that local IVF doctor will overpromise and oversell and make all kinds of tall claims. And after the cycle fails, He'll flip his tune and then blame you for the failure rather than acknowledging the fact that he wasn't very good. And lots of them take shortcuts. They don't provide documentation, don't explain anything, don't give you embryo photos, so it can be a sad job. So come to Mumbai for your IVF treatment. Having said that, I also agree that not all IVF clinics in Mumbai are good either. And just like you need to do your homework for your local IVF clinic, you need to do your homework for which clinic to pick in Mumbai. Don't just go by brand names, don't just go by referrals, don't go because your bhabhi went. Figure out for yourself. And the great news is that as a patient, you're educated, you're well informed, you can do your homework for yourself. There's lots of information on websites, and there's lots of information for patients on our website, which is www.drmalpani.com. This is information written specifically for IVF patients by me. I'm an IVF specialist. Over 1,000 pages. I do this as a labor of love. I've been doing it for many years, and I can guarantee you this information is updated, reliable, can be trustworthy, and is easy to understand. So you no longer need to feel completely confused when your doctor uses medical jargon. So please come to www.drmalpani.com. Lots of videos. Happy to help you to make a well-informed decision for yourself. If you still have more questions, you can email me through our website. And if I can help you to have a baby, nothing will give me more joy and pleasure, because that's the reason I became an IVF specialist. See you.